Hello everyone, welcome to ENbreezEN, the daily current affairs session by Team Enlight. In today's program, we are looking into four different topics. The first one is the 95-95-95 initiative of the UN. The second one is the Indian goal. The third one is the GOCO model of the defense forces. And the final one is with respect to Ukraine and its location. Now, coming to the first topic, it is a 95-95-95 initiative of WHO. You all might be knowing December 1, we celebrate as the World AIDS Day. So, in context of the World's AIDS Day and to control the global AIDS pandemic, the WHO has recently revised the 90-90-90 target, in which the target year was 2020 to 95-95-95 initiative. So in this 95-95-95 initiative, the corresponding 95s represent to the first one being 95% of HIV infected people will be knowing their HIV status. The second one, those who have been diagnosed with HIV, at least 95% receiving the antiretroviral therapy. And the third one, those on treatment, at least 95% to achieve the viral suspension. The earlier 90-90-90 target failed to achieve its full quota, so WHO has again revised it. Coming to the condition, it's a RNA virus that is causing the HIV infection or AIDS. So, people who get infected with HIV usually do not die as a result of the virus, but the immune system of that particular individual get compromised and they get infected with other infections, due to which most of the individuals die. The virus was first isolated by Luc Montagnier and Francois Barre in 1983. As of now, the Government of India, under the NACO, National AIDS Control Organization, is providing antiretroviral therapy ART to help affected individuals reduce their viral load. So, as of now, we are not having any vaccine or one stop approach for medicine as far as HIV is concerned. The ART treatment is not to cure the disease, but it helps to control the disease. And even we are focusing on ending all forms of discrimination against HIV infected individuals, which is also a major mandate under the various WHO initiatives. So this is the first topic, 95-95-95 initiative. Now coming to the second topic, it is the Indian Gaur. So recently, an Indian Gaur was attacked by an individual. So our point of view is the man-animal conflict for main's point of view, or film's point of view, what Indian Gaur is. The Indian Gaur or the Indian bison, it's a type of cattle. It's a herbivore. Being a cattle, it's a herbivore. Under the IUCN status, it is categorized as a vulnerable species. So mostly it is seen in Southeastern Asia, and in India it's mostly found in the southern area, especially the Western Ghat region. We have got the Periyar National Park and the Nagahole National Park in Kerala and Karnataka respectively, which are important habitats for the Indian Gaur, mostly seen in the dry and deciduous forests of India. So Gaur, being a cattle species or a herbivore, it's very important for increase in tiger population because tigers feed on Gaur. So indirectly, if Gaur need to be conserved, the corresponding grassland needs to be conserved too. So for grassland conservation too, the species Indian Gaur is very important. So this point is with respect to the food chain. Do look into what food chain is. Different examples for different components, different species coming under food chain. This is a repeated question. over the years. So that was the second topic, Indian Gaur. Do look into the different schedules under Wildlife Protection Act and just examine whether Indian Gaur is mentioned in any of the schedules. So coming to the third topic, it is the GOCO model or the government owned contractor operated model. This topic came in news recently when we were analyzing a CAG report about the issues associated with GOCO model. So GOCO model has recently been applied with respect to defense production and defense establishment. This model has been brought into defense establishment as per DB Shekater committee recommendation. So remember the term DB Shekater, which is important for mains point of view with respect to defense forces renovation or what need to be done in a way forward area. You can write or mention about DB Shekater. So as a result of GOCO model, the basic condition is it should be an Indian company, absolutely, and minimum 10 years of work experience in the area in which they are bringing about new components, and an annual average turnover of 50 years for the last 3 financial years. So, if you are able to implement or bring in GOCO model efficiently, we will be able to ensure there is a reduction in the cost or expenditure criteria, and further the combat capability of the defense forces will increase as the best practice available in private or in other nations will be absorbed by the Indian defense forces as a result of easy availability of the corresponding technologies. So this is a third topic, GOCO model. It's important for mains point of view too, where the PPP, public-private partnership models, are a part of GS3 paper syllabus. So do look into mains angle about PPP or GOCO model. It can be asked for prelims point of view without bringing in the full form. It can be abbreviated, given as a abbreviation, and if you are not well aware about the full form, you will find it difficult to tackle the options available before the GOCO model. So this is the third topic, government on contractor operated model. Now coming to the final topic, it is with respect to Ukraine. So Ukraine, as you all know, is an important nation near Russia. Historically, both these countries were part together. Now, there is a rise in tension between Russia and Ukraine as a result of Russia's annexation of Ukraine, especially the area surrounding Crimea, which was annexed by Russia so as to ensure round the year connectivity to Black Sea. So remember the term Crimea, it's an area in Ukraine. Remember Crimea war in another angle for world history point of view also. In another angle, what Crimea war stands for can also be asked. So apart from Crimea or the Sevastopol in Crimea, we have got the Donetsk region in Ukraine, which, as far as the present era is concerned, is being controlled by defense forces, which have got a direct relationship with Ukraine and Russia. So coming to the location near to Ukraine, we have got the Black Sea, and even we have an opening with Sea of Azov. Do remember, both Russia and Ukraine share boundary with Sea of Azov, which is near to Crimea too. So this country is neighbored by Poland, Slovakia, Hungary, Romania, Moldova, Belarus, and Russia. So this was the fourth topic. So that's all for today session in ENbreezEN. Hope to meet you all again soon. Thank you.